Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the Juyace 150W LED parking lot light, a powerhouse in outdoor commercial lighting. This energy-efficient LED light is a game-changer, offering a remarkable 21,000 lumens that easily replace traditional 500 WHPS per megahenry lights, making it perfect for everything from farmyards to industrial areas. With its easy and flexible installation, thanks to an adjustable arm mount, you can customize the angle to suit your space, and it even comes with a CRV 12mm Allen wrench for convenience. Built to last, this durable light boasts a lifespan of 50,000 hours, significantly reducing operating and maintenance costs compared to conventional street lights. Its commercial-grade, thickened die-cast aluminum casing is coated with polyester powder for excellent corrosion resistance, ensuring long-term reliability. Plus, with an IP65 waterproof rating, each light undergoes rigorous testing to withstand various climates, guaranteeing top-notch performance. So, whether you're lighting up a parking lot or securing a yard, the Juyace 150W LED light is your go-to solution for bright, efficient, and durable outdoor lighting. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.